How to contact customer support through the Barclays app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to contact customer support through the Barclays app. Now, contacting customer support through the Barclays app can vary depending on the app's specific features and design. However, here are some general steps you can follow to contact customer support. First of all, you could go ahead and launch the Barclays app on your mobile device and log in using your name or password. And once done, you can go ahead and look for the section of the app that provide help or support option. These section may be labeled as help, support, contact us, or similar. And some app offers a search function within the help or support section. If you are unable to find it, then you could also from the main menu page tap the menu bar and click on help and support. Here you could go ahead and select the reason for contacting them or select the option, and likewise you could go ahead and contact them. Or now, many banking app offers a live chat feature that allows you to chat with the customer support representative in real time. If this is not available, you can initiate a chat session from within the app. You can go ahead and look for a button or link that says live chat support or something similar. And if chat isn't available, or if you prefer to speak with someone over the phone, the app may provide a phone number for customer support. You can go ahead and look for the section, these listed contact option and all that. So in this way, you could go ahead and contact the customer support through the Barclays app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.